this thing is movable enough. It's within just a little bit of fitting on there the way it should. And I think what I'll do is drive it up to the garage and back it back in and use my engine lift to lift it up and adjust it, because it's a lot less tricky than the tractor. The tractor has a tendency to make really sudden jerky moves when I try to use the winch to lift something. So let's see if we can back up there. I think that everything is free as far as the tires and things. I was laying in bed and I remembered I hadn't unhooked this fuel pump thing, and thought maybe I should. That's what made me get up and come down here. But then I thought, well, it'd be nice if I could just get this done, then I wouldn't have to worry about what to do next. Oh, the joy. I found another loose vacuum line. Actually, it was one that I knew was not so great, but I noticed it was disconnected, so I connected it back. I also switched the gas tanks from the back one to the front one, and it cranked better. So, excuse me, that made me feel a little bit encouraged about the way it runs. Been keeping an eye on Buddy. Buddy brought a baby rabbit to the house this morning, which is not good, but the rabbit was alive. She didn't kill it, she just brought it to the door. So I took it over there and found a hole that I thought might be a rabbit hole. I've seen it before, and I thought, well, I'll just drop him off in there and maybe he'll live. Other nice thing about getting this inside here is that we'll be out in the hot sunshine, so that I can come back and work on this at convenience. And my engine lift is sitting right in the back of the garage right there, so it's easy to swing it around and pick this up, line it up. I'm going to cut you off and go get my golf cart.